Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make rotations, animations in Blender 5.1. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step, how to make each type of the rotations. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1. Today I'm going to show you how to make the rotations animations. Just for example, here you have a cube, or you can just add any of other things, for example, cylinder. Okay, what about if we want to make some rotation? Just for example, this cylinder, I want to make some rotation. So the rotation, if it's in that direction, it will be somewhere here. So if I just put hash frame 15, then just press enter. If you play, now you can see it is going to rotate. What about if you want to increase the speed? So you can just make it 5. The speed will be higher. Alright. What about if you want to make the rotation in this direction as well? So here, I may just put hash frame slash maybe 10. If you play, you can see actually it have 2 degree of the rotation. Okay, what about if I put the same 5 here, also put the same 5 until you can see it is another type of the movement. Okay, same as the cube. If you want to make the rotation, let's say in this direction, so here I just put hash frame slash 10. So now you look at the direction. If you want to reverse the direction, you can just put a negative here. Put a negative at the front, then the direction will be different. If without negative, it will be in another direction. It is really easy to just create the direction for rotations, and also it is really easy to create the rotation movement in Blender. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on rotation. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you feel it is useful for your 3D modeling and 3D animation. See you in my next video. See you.